Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome in my YouTube channel Learn with Misbah. Yes, my dear friends. In the previous lecture, we have to discuss about the pronoun and their three types. In this video, we will discuss about indefinite pronoun and relative pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Sometimes the pronouns used in a sentence do not refer to any particular thing or person. They are used in a general way. Such pronouns are known as indefinite pronouns. Sometimes ऐसे pronoun यूज किए जाते हैं सेंटेंस में जो किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम या पर्सन को मेंशन नहीं कर रहे होते. There are some examples of indefinite pronoun. All, anyone, anybody, anything, everyone, everything, someone, somebody, something, no one, nothing, some, none, etc. This is the all examples of indefinite pronoun. We can use the indefinite pronoun in the sentence. For example, nobody can help you. Here, nobody is the indefinite pronoun because here is no mention any particular thing or person because this is in the general way. The second example, did you ask anybody to come? Here, anybody is the indefinite pronoun. Now, the relative pronoun. Now, relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whether they are people, places, things, animals, or ideas. Relative pronoun can be used to join two sentences. Relative pronoun यूज किया जाता है नाउन को रेफर करने के लिए जो कि प्रीवियसली ही मेंशन किया जा चुका हो, और रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन को हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं दो सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए, उनको मिलाने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हु, whom, that, which, whoever, whomever, and whichever. The relative pronoun we can use in the sentence like this is the place where we met. Where is the relative pronoun? You can choose one subject, whomever you like. Here, whomever is the relative pronoun. Yes, friends, so in this video we discussed the indefinite pronoun and relative pronoun. In the next video, we will discuss about the demonstrative pronoun and interrogative pronoun.